Hey guys, welcome back to Callalloo's kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Callaloo fried rice with shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callalloo's kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callalloo's kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some string beans. I also have my shrimp. I also have some soy sauce. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper and parsley flakes, and I also have some onions, some bell peppers, and some garlic, and of course I have my days old Callaloo rice that I cooked yesterday for Sunday dinner. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp. And while I'm seasoning my shrimp, I have the pot on the stove that I'm going to cook my fried rice in, and I went ahead and add some of my garlic spread, my Italian rose garlic spread in the pot, allow it to melt. So once I'm finished seasoning my shrimp, I'm going to go over on that side and show you guys what I am going to do next. All right. So guys, as I had said earlier, this is the pot that I'm going to cook my fried rice in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp. Always remember guys that shrimp doesn't take long to cook, 4 minutes and it is all ready. So I'm going to allow it to cook 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. Then I'm going to come back and flip it over on the other side and show you guys what I'm going to do next. Also, if you guys want to go in and add mixed vegetable, you can always go in and add some mixed vegetable to your Callaloo fried rice. All right. So I'm going to flip the shrimp over on the other side, give it 2 minutes to cook, then I'm going to remove them from the pot, alright? Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in and remove my shrimp. And of course I'm going to use the same pot to cook my fried rice in, because all of that flavor from the shrimp is there already, and my Italian garlic spread. So basically once I'm finished removing the shrimp, I'm going to go in and add my seasoning. And again, my seasoning consists of bell peppers, garlic and onion. You guys can go ahead and add scallion if you have at home. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to try to be you in the kitchen. Utilize whatever you have at home, alright? So as I said earlier, I'm going to go in and add my seasoning, and I will also go in and add the string beans. So once I added the string bean, I turned on my stove on the lowest heat possible. I'm going to cover this and just leave it for a minute because we don't want the string bean to be too soft. So I'm just going to leave it for a minute or two. Then I'm going to come back and add some other ingredients to this, alright? So what I am going to do is I'm going to go in and add some of the soy sauce. And I will also go in and add some of the all-purpose seasoning just for taste, and also the parsley flakes and some of the black pepper. Combine everything together, and again I'm going to leave this for roughly another 3 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next, alright? Alright guys, so after another 3 minutes, it's time to go ahead and add my Callaloo rice. As I said earlier, I cooked this rice yesterday for dinner, and I decided that I'm not going to throw away the rest of the rice. I'm going to make something delicious with the rice. So I'm going to go in and add some of the soya sauce, and I think it was a little bit too, I didn't get that color that I wanted, so I'm going to go in and add some more soya sauce to it because I want it to be a little bit more dark. All right, and if you guys want to go in and add egg, you can always add egg, but I didn't want to add any egg to this recipe. So but you guys can always go in and add egg, or if you want to add mixed vegetable, remember, try to be creative. As you guys can see, I went in and add the shrimp. The shrimp is optional also, you do not have to add the shrimp, but I decided I wanted to add something extra to my callaloo fried rice. All right, so for me, I love to combine everything together and leave it on the stove for roughly another like 3 minutes or so before I serve it up. But basically, we are almost finished with this callaloo fried rice with shrimp. So what I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to serve it up and show you guys the final product. Really easy and simple. You guys can try it at home. Your family will love it. All right. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my callaloo fried rice with shrimp. I hope you guys enjoy this easy and simple dinner recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out at home. Sorry, remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Until next time, bye.